Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in Dodge Avenger, only way. Start by parking safely, cooling the engine, and laying out tools and supplies. Use gloves and eye protection, and position jack stands if you need lift. Confirm the oil type and capacity for your model, and have a container ready for used oil. Work methodically to avoid spills and keep track of parts as you proceed. Loosen the oil fill cap first, then slide your drain pan carefully under the drain plug to catch used oil. Use a wrench to loosen the plug, then remove it by hand and allow oil to empty completely. While oil drains, remove the old oil filter and let trapped oil drain into the pan. Inspect the drain plug gasket and clean the seating area before reinstalling the plug securely. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car guides. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleanup easier with voice control and strong suction, so garages and driveways stay tidy while you wrench. It even schedules cleanings so dirt and small debris don't pile up after maintenance. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After reinstalling the drain plug, install a new oil filter and lightly coat its gasket with fresh oil for a good seal. Using a funnel, add the specified amount and grade of oil, such as 5 quarts or the amount listed in your owner manual. Start the engine briefly to circulate oil, then inspect for leaks under the car and recheck the dipstick, topping up if necessary for an accurate level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.